In this video, I'll show you how to play multiplayer on your Nintendo Switch 2. Step 1. Choose a multiplayer game. Select a game that supports multiplayer modes. Check the game's info for local or online play options. Step 2. Connect the controllers. Pair additional Joy-Cons or Pro controllers as needed. Go to controllers and then change grip order to sync devices. Step 3. Select the multiplayer mode. In the game menu, select local mode, wireless mode, or online multiplayer. Follow game-specific instructions to set up a lobby or join a match. Step 4. Invite or join friends. Use your friends list to invite friends or join their games. Some games support matchmaking with random players. Step 5. Enjoy. And that's how you play in multiplayer on your Nintendo Switch 2. If you found this video helpful, then please subscribe. If you have any questions, you can leave them in the comments down below, and I'll be happy to help you.